Hello, my name's Christine Brooks and I teach Honors and Regents Chemistry at Our Lady of Lourdes. Today I'm going to give you a brief overview of some of the technology that we're using in our online classrooms. Alright, so what we're currently looking at is my Canvas page from a student's view. Canvas is our online learning management system that we're able to upload all of our content to and communicate daily with our students. So the first thing students are going to see when they come to their chemistry page is the announcements, again where I'm able to communicate with them, their to-do list for the week. Another important feature is their course calendar, which provides the due dates for every assignment. They're even able to click on this and go to the actual assignment. Another important feature is the modules. So for me, I organize my modules by week, and inside the module for each week are all the assignments that I expect the students to complete. So for example, we're able to still do notes. I'm able to record over the PowerPoints I would be using anyway. I'm able to upload it through PlayPosit, which allows me to insert assessment questions so that I can see if the students are actually learning from the notes that I'm giving them. Canvas also has important built-in features such as the quizzes function. The quizzes function I'm able to use for informal assessments and formal assessments. So if we take a look at one, the students are going to get instructions about what they can use to help them, but I'm able to give one-on-one feedback after they take the quiz, which allows me to target specific problems that students might be having, and it also allows me to see how all of my students are doing collectively to see if I need to address a specific part of the content. From a science standpoint, one of the more challenging aspects of online learning has been addressing the hands-on lab portion. Luckily, there's a couple different ways that we can still address those online learning issues for lab. For example, we can use a program called PhET. So PhET provides simulations that allow students to practice. For example, here I have one that we used in class. It allows students to balance equations. It gives them visual representation as well as the actual task that they're learning, and will provide them direct feedback on whether they're right or wrong and how to improve upon what they're doing. One of the most exciting programs that we just started using is called Lobster. Lobster is also a simulation, a more sophisticated simulation than the last one we just looked at, but it allows students again to get a version of hands-on learning with the content. So this week my students were learning about acids and bases. They enter this, it's very much like a video game. They have this little robot that explains what they're supposed to be doing. They have this little tablet that explains the theory, and they can review the content that we've been talking about in our lectures. And they're able to go on a little mission that has to do with acids and bases. So like for example, this one is exploring an acidic lake and how to test that pH, how to counteract that pH, so on and so forth. Thus, we're very lucky that we have these different platforms and are able to reach out to our students and provide them with various types of content